Oh, I had a dream as a child, living in a house made of ice that never melts, with a fireplace inside. And I let the dream be forgotten, but I know it still lives somewhere in the scent of cinnamon and cloves. Winter dream swims in my paw. Little cup of tea, lovely dream of mine. Santa, please come to remind. Merry Christmas to you. Covered up in the snow, my blanket as I listen to some nutcracker sweet. I'll pick up my favorite mug, enjoy the first sip of the Christmas tea. Winter dream swims in my paw.